Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is BEJ20403 with the number matrix CE210162. So today I will be present for introduction. A transformer is an electrical device that is used to transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another by means of electromagnetic induction. It is based on the principles of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The working principle of a transformer is simple. It consists of two coils of wire, known as a primary winding and the secondary winding, which are wound around a common core made of magnetic materials such as iron. When an alternating current AC is applied to the primary winding, it creates a magnetic field around the primary coil. This magnetic field then induces a voltage in a secondary coil which is proportional to the number of turns in a secondary coil. So that's all for introduction. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nifilza binti Wan Baharudin and my matrix number is CE20150. So in this project, I will present to you about the transformers parameters. So our group used 50 kilovolt, 2400 volt and also 50 Hz. Therefore, we use MATLAB, Simulink and we created the equivalent transformer circuit parameters for this project based on the parameters provided. So next is the transformer test, experimental setup and Simulink models. This project experimental setup require a transformers with the following specification, which is 50 kilovolt, 2400 volt, 50 Hz and for table 1 from the instruction page. MATLAB Simulink, Simscape Electrical and Sim Power System 2 were used to design the analog circuit in order to examine the outcome in this experiment. Open circuit test and also the short circuit test have to be carried out.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sami bin Said Omar and my matrix number is CE22006. So this is our circuit, which is an open circuit for this project, and we use Simulink to draw the circuit. So for the voltage supply, we use 2400 for voltage and phase degree of 90, frequency of 50 Hz, and so on. And for the parameters of transformer is frequency stated as below. And as well, the power measurement have 50 Hz as well. And we have 5 blocks of RMS and 1 water supply and 5 total of display, which is to read our recording. So when I run the simulation, as you can see, we get the measurement of several types of measurement, which is voltage, current, and power. As for the voltage, as you can see, we have a voltage of 2400, and this is for IOC, which is 0.2826, and this is the current 2, which is 0.2105 ampere. And for the power, we got the total of 170.8 watt, and as for the reactive power, we have 1414. Thank you very much. So as for the calculation, this is the information that we got from the simulation, which is the volt are 2400, the I1 is 0.2826, the I2 is 0.2105 ampere, the power is 170.8, and the VRR is 1414. So the VOC is 2400, the IOC is 0.2826, and the power, the POC, is 170.8. So as for the power factor, the formula is the power divided by the volt multiplied by ampere. So the which is 170.8 divided by 2400 multiplied by 0.2826, which is equal to 0.2518. So the delta is cos -1, 0.2518 equal to 75.41. So, and the next is we got 2.966 multiple by 10 power of -5 minus 1.139 multiplied by 10 power of -4. So to find the RC, this is the formula for to find the RC. So 1 over 2.966 multiplied by 10 power of -5 equal to 33,715.44 ohms, while for the XM is equal to 8,077.9.63 ohms. And that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ruzaini. Number matric is CE220020, and I am in charge for the short circuit transformer. Okay. This is the simulation of the short circuit transformer that I use using Simulink on the MATLAB. Yeah, this is for the setup on the AC voltage supply, which is 2400. Then this is for the setup on the transformer. Okay. Now I'm going to run the simulation. Waiting for the compiling. Can take for the moment. Okay, this is for the result for the short circuit simulation for which it will display on the display from the through from the RMS. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ruzaini. Number matric is CE220020, and I am in charge for the short circuit transformer. Okay, this is the simulation of the short circuit transformer that I use using Simulink on the MATLAB. Okay, this is for the manual calculation for short circuit. Like you have seen on the table at the top, the value for voltage, current primary, current secondary, real power, and reactive power I get from the uh, simulation that I've been done it before. After I get the value, I use this value for to find the power factor from PSC divide with VSC and ISC, which is I get 0.25 micro. Then I calculate for the degree and I get 90 degree. Then I find the Z, refer to the impedance, and I get 0 plus J 2.18 ohm. Then from that value from the Z, for I conclude it as R equivalent as 0 ohm and impedance equivalent value as 2.18 ohm that I get from the Z. Thank you.
Okay, so for the conclusion, electrical machines are an integral part of modern technology, powering everything from household appliances to industrial equipment. They play a crucial role in the generation, conversion, transmission, and use of electrical energy, which is essential for powering our modern world. Electric motors, for example, are widely used in various applications, including transportation, manufacturing, and robotics. They are highly efficient and can deliver high power output with minimal maintenance requirements, making them ideal for use in many different settings. So that's all from me. Thank you.